This is RAM because it's super expensive right now. I started to think, can I build RAM in Minecraft? For this RAM system, I went with a 4-cell design, where each cell can store 4 bits of data. So the final RAM design can store 4 different 4-bit values at the same time. It may not be the fastest RAM, only storing around 2 bytes/2 letters, but it's a solid start. To further extend this RAM, which originally had 16 possible combinations per cell, I added an extra bit to each memory cell. This increased each cell from 4 bits to 5 bits, boosting the total capacity from 16 to 32 possible states. I still thought 32 possible combinations per memory cell wasn't enough, so I upgraded every memory cell to 10 bits. Now each cell can store 1024 different values, giving the entire 4-cell RAM over 1.1 trillion possible memory states. Now that the RAM system is complete, here is what this RAM could technically handle. Overall, it's not worth the time. It would take months of coding, custom software, mods, and redstone engineering just to maybe add a few megabytes of RAM to your computer. You'd be better off spending a few months working a job and buying real RAM than trying to build it out of redstone. But this would be a great project if you're looking for something to do. Here's something to base off if you want to. Thank you for watching and supporting my small channel.